of the room, patiently watching as you talk. Outside point of view, coming from 8,000 kilometers away, like a swap with you. We would be matching in disbelief. He's doing alright. If you haven't heard from him lately, sometimes when I don't know what to say, I feel like I've fallen behind. Words break, they fall into one. Sometimes I need a
Welcome back to another episode. You've probably gathered by now that we found an old Falcon in a barn. We decided to turn it into a bit of a boys' trip and see if we could get the thing started. So we jumped right in and started by testing the battery. We didn't really have much of a plan as we've never done this before, but it seemed this car really wanted to get going again, as we'll all see very shortly. I'm expecting 0 volts. Yeah. Well, there's 3, but that's not going to turn them.
Have some lunch. I'll be by the fire.
Ridley, we have a problem.
What's the problem?
The battery's shagged. Do you reckon we should steal Mori's battery?
Yeah, I think. How long is he gonna have lunch for? At least half an hour.
Yeah.
Easily. Let's go.
Yeah, let's steal it. Let's go. I just didn't want to stick my hand in there in case there was a redback. These are awfully tiny.
Where'd you guys get this battery from?
I don't know, man. It just showed up. Yeah, cool.
Wait, is this the right way?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, is
I
it?
just checked.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, just put it there so we can.
Yeah, you won't start a fire.
You're right. Where did we get this battery?
It was lying around somewhere.
Yeah.
It's alright.
It's brand new.
That's good.
It's a little.
Yeah, how lucky was that?
Yeah, it's a little bit small for the housing, but.
Looks dodgy, but it's not.
Looks dodgy, but it's not.
After installing our stolen battery with the duct tape and zip tie method, we were ready to see if the car would crank over. To our surprise, all of the lights on the dash were working. It looked like it was ready to go.
Which is all.
Just jump.
Yeah.
As you can see by my expression, we didn't think it would even crank over the way it just did. And we were even more surprised that it fired second crank. Nothing wrong with that.
There's some gas.
Does it even have fuel in it?
Right.
Well, the gas thing says it's got fuel.
I can go to the throttle here.
Oh yeah? Even better.
If I can remember where it is though.
Last time you opened the door by opening like.
Yeah, no, I got the door open.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, you have to do both
Yeah.
for some reason.
Oh, so it's actually still square.
The next step was to see if we could get the car to run for a bit longer than a second or two.
Actually, humming.
Yeah, what?
got a hole in it. Yeah, but it is nice. It's higher.
One line, isn't it? Yeah. Give us your best thanks for watching.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Angus's channel. Thanks for watching Angus's channel. Didn't like that.
Turning off.
But no, let's put some gas in it.
Oh yeah, might need a little bit of fucking running time.
Should we turn it on again?
Yeah. I reckon.
We should drive it.
How much gas is in it? On the
Well,
bar.
there's lots.
Start, you bastard.
Maybe not. Alright, let's unplug Mori's battery so it doesn't.
What? My battery. Nice.
So, what's the plan now?
Well, how about we pull that air intake off? Start pulling out plugs, because you'll know straight away plugs are going to be the biggest one to check if they've been fouled or not.
Yeah.
So let's check the plugs. I mean,
You can test the lead with just a screwdriver and crank it,
Yeah.
can't you? Yeah, it just needs to. It needs to go.
Yeah.
Like it wants to go.
yeah, it does.
You know what I mean? Like
It's something's stopping it from running right. Whether that be no spark, old fuel, hasn't run properly. Yeah. All right, let's start with the spark plugs. See how they look.
You know the best thing though? It's like this is fun for the channel for Angus, but one day we'll look back at this, and like all this footage, like even this footage now, will be there.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Snake channel.
Yeah. It's not even a. I don't even know. What are you got? Rattle noises? No, I get it all. Jesus Christ. Like, did you snap the UHF? Like, you moved the UHF up to like the top of your Land Cruiser?
Yeah,
And then just like hit a tree straight on.
Yeah, but I snapped them now. Yeah, like first
No, like the first
trip I did after I modified it. Yeah, just like got on the dirt, let the air out of my tires, snapped my antenna out.
Angus,
Like 5 minutes
I
in.
remember what I was saying, like, that's a weird spot to put it. And I'm like, but like it made sense because that was the best spot to achieve the
Yeah,
performance.
yeah.
But it was the worst spot to achieve like the bush bashing. Like it was just the tallest and like most likely to get cleaned up.
I don't even know why I opened it because I had the front one.
Yeah. I want to put mine on the back.
Yeah.
What's next, Angus?
I think let's pull the plugs out. We'll have to pull that air cleaner off and stuff like that.
Bro, it's done like nearly $1 million, hasn't it?
Nah, 600. 600, which is still a lot. Did that connect? Yeah, it is. Yeah. All right, first plug, eh?
So maybe they're not that old.
Nah. This car, this would have been serviced properly. This would have been serviced on time every time.
To a point.
Yeah.
Obviously, towards the end, it would have, like, they probably weren't using it enough to, like, cooked.
Well, it's not.
Describe it for us, guys.
Oh, it's got a
What's
yellow,
it taste like?
got a yellow haze on it, but
That
That's-
from like the LPG, maybe?
No,
Yeah,
that's
maybe.
probably from actually just sitting there and not being used. Like, as in, it's probably like corroding in a way because it's doing nothing, potentially.
Yeah.
Maybe Google it. Why aren't we touching it? Are we allowed to touch it?
yeah. It's just held in with a bit of rubber. You can pull it out.
I don't really need to, though.
The main thing is, I think, is it's dry.
That looks good.
It looks all right to me. I don't know much about spark plugs, but
The gap's huge on that.
yeah.
Fuck, it is messy.
Well, like, chuck that one back in, pull out the next one, see what that one looks like in comparison. If
Yeah.
they all look the same,
Then it's fine.
then it's probably getting used equally, essentially.
Yeah.
Actually, does look alright here. It's not like it's not.
It looks
white.
fine to me.
It's not oily.
It's not black, it's not white, it just
Doesn't
looks
taste
rusty.
bad.
Yeah.
Doesn't taste bad. Did you lick it? You have to lick everyone now. Yeah, we need to taste
Do they taste the same or not?
Fuck, we should almost give him a quick sand or something. Don't you do that? You give him a little scratch and just because it
the
obviously
metal,
gets
like-
that surface shit off.
Yeah. I think getting up to temp should also like.
Blast some of the shit
Yeah.
off.
Yeah. Well, we just discovered that it was running on gas.
Oh really?
So Red found the switch. So
Oh shit.
maybe
Because it was right fucking there.
yeah, it was right there. But the thing is, I didn't go looking for it.
No,
So I
that's
didn't
right.
know,
We were
yeah.
like, just let's see if it starts. But
So we'll just check them. If they all look like this, we'll put it on petrol and start it again. If it runs a bit nicer, then we know it runs nicer on petrol. But
Cut back to when we've done that.
the thing
Yeah.
is,
we check it on petrol.
Petrol time.
fire time.
I'll give it a bit of.
The pump could be fucked as well. I don't know.
That's better.
Is that idling?
That's idle. That sounds way better than before.
Yeah.
See if it rolls forwards.
Yeah.
Can we get it so it's not like only just clicked? Yeah, stall it.
I reckon it will stall.
Oh. Yep.
What do you do?
Nothing. At this point, I was pretty excited that it was running under its own steam and able to move while in gear. After pumping up the tyres, we decided to pull it out of the shed and see if it'll go for a drive. It's got a mad hole like right under you. Yeah. Delilah, come on. Come on. Come here. Here. Stalls it.
It's misfiring like crazy now.
Yeah, it is. And it's black as the smoke coming out of it.
Oh yeah, it's blowing heaps. Smells fuely. Are you on fuel?
Oh, am I? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I want you.
You are, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, it's on petrol.
It's not burning fuel.
Yeah.
You can smell it.
Yeah. It should start now. After switching it back over to gas, the car starts and runs just fine.
Jump in.
Yeah.
So long
Like around here.
now
Yeah.
that I've been with you.
Oh, terrible.
Let's get it.
I got high hopes. I don't know if I should.
Now, we gotta...
You said you've been waiting on this moment. We're going out again today. Your soul might thrive longer with me.
The three of us grew up repairing cars. It was what we did as mates together.
7 days
And it's something we've been talking about for a long time, to be able to sit in the front seat of this Falcon and with the three of us just go for a cruise around the paddocks. It's a good feeling to get it done finally. If there's anything to be learnt from this episode, it's go hang out with your mates, go wrench on an old shitty car, go camping, hang out, just do what you can. It's all good fun.
your friends so you can stay out late. You said you weren't gonna see me anyway. Well, you know I can't invent myself. You always talk, baby, and talk is cheap. Would you leave this party for me? Could this be the diary of a dream? You say you've lost me completely. Wondering if I stick around a little longer with you. Call your friends.
If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Weren't gonna see me anyway.
What the fuck?